Good morning. Welcome back to Wicked Wise. This is another book that I want people to buy. You can get it right on Amazon because CPS workers believe that they are above the Constitution. And it is our job to remind them that they are not above the Constitution. If the United States president is not above the Constitution, CPS needs to ask themselves who gives them the authority to make decisions, right? To make them believe that they are above the Constitution. If we as a society cannot go into court and say, I believe that my child, my grandchild, my niece, my nephew, whatever, is being abused, and they'll laugh us out of a courtroom, what gives CPS the authority to walk in there as a state agency, right, to say, oh, we believe a child is being abused, and then falsify information, right, to fit their scenario to get a removal order? The police can't go to a district attorney and say, I believe that they committed a crime, I need a warrant. It doesn't work like that. CPS has no more authority than the average Walmart worker, Target worker, business owner. You get the point. But they are on this belief that when they get involved, parents have no rights. And that is absolute bullshit. I don't care what CPS tells you. You record everything. You want them to contact you, or they want to contact you, you tell them to send everything in a fucking email or send it in a fucking letter. Because documentation is the best proof. Video is the best because you can't deny what someone says on a video. You just can't. And if you put it on social media, they can't sue you for defamation because it's their own fucking words. So my point is, if CPS wants to believe that they are above the law, which is, there's only one law, and it's the Supreme Court of the superior law of the land is the Constitution. The state constitution, the Bill of Rights, state and federal. And I'm going to say this till I'm blue in my face. Everybody needs to have their state constitution, their state Bill of Rights, their federal Bill of Rights, and their federal constitution. My goal is to make them accountable. They want to hold parents accountable, right? Even if it's a fucking lie. They want to hold parents accountable, but they don't want to take responsibility and be held accountable for their actions. And it's absolutely absurd. There's only one law. And if they can break the law, then we're in deep trouble. And that's what they're doing. They've been breaking the law for over 30 years. And now it's time to make them accountable for their actions. Not just CPS. Any lawyer that conspires with them. Any judge that conspires with them. It takes two people to conspire. So just remember, when CPS goes in front of that judge on an ex parte and you are not there, that is conspiracy against your due process rights under the Due Process Clause. And it's also conspiracy against your rights.